Alright, real quick, I want to show you guys something I promised you in an earlier video, and that is the difference in firearms between suppressed and unsuppressed, and the difference between supersonic and subsonic ammo. So, first I'm going to fire 3 rounds out of this XD 9mm. So you get some idea what that sounds like. Then I'm going to put the suppressor on. And now for comparison's sake, I have 3 rounds of subsonic followed by 3 rounds of supersonic. So see if you can hear the difference. Alright, I hope that helps. To give you some demonstration, I hope the sound comes through good on the camera. So let me know what you think. Thank you.